push me? She's trying to push me. Brute.
Can you guys do it with one hand?
Oh, of course.
Oh, let go.
You're doing awesome.
That was a good save right there.
She gets dizzy.
She's walking in circles. Of course she's dizzy.
It feels different, I think, too. Dancing with the Stars?
Can you walk this way? Come here, Liv. It's sidestepping.
I know.
We're done. Get your clothes up.
Classy.